Third question. A sum of money lent out at compound interest at a certain rate per annum becomes 3 times of itself in 8 years. Find in how many years will the money becomes 27 times of itself at the same rate of interest per annum. So we can take principal equal to x. Rate of interest we can take as r. The amount becomes 3 times, so amount equal to 3x. Number of years 8, so n equal to 8 years. So from the formula, amount equal to p into 1 plus r by 100 power n. So we can take 3x, amount 3x equal to principal x into 1 plus r by 100 power n 8. So x we can cancel. So we have 3 equal to 1 plus r by 100 power 8. So we need to remove this power 8. So both the sides we can multiply it by power 1 by n, 1 by 8. So 3 power 1 by 8 equal to 1 plus r by 100 power 8 by 8. This will cancel. So we have 3 power 1 by 8 equal to 1 plus r by 100. We can take this as 1, first part. Okay, case 2. So here we have same principal x, and this time the amounts become 27 times of x. So amount equal to 27x. We have same rate of interest r equal to r, and we need to find out how many years this will become 27 times. So n equal to question mark. We need to find the number of years. So from the formula, amount equal to p into 1 plus r by 100. So we have amount 27x equal to x into 1 plus r by 100 power n. So x be cancelled. So we have 27 equal to 1 plus r by 100 power n. So we need to remove the power n. So both the sides we can multiply it by 1 by n, power 1 by n. So 27 power 1 by n equal to 1 plus r by 100 power n by n. This will cancel. So we have 27 1 by n equal to 1 plus r by 100. So this 27 we can make as 3 power 3, again 1 by n equal to 1 plus r by 100. So we have 3 power 3 by n equal to 1 plus r by 100. This become 2. From equation 1 and 2, we have 3 power 1 by 8 equal to 3 power 3 by n. So both base are 3. So we can take 1 by 8 equal to 3 by n. We can cross multiply. N equal to 8 into 3 equal to 24. So n equal 24 years. Next question. On what sum of money will compound interest payable annually for 2 years be the same as simple interest on rupees 9,430 for 10 years, both at the rate of interest of 5% per annum? So here we need to apply two formulas, simple interest and compound interest. So first we need to find the simple interest. For simple interest, we have principal equal to 9430, number of years 10. Rate of interest 5% per annum. So for simple interest equal to 9430 PNR by 100. So 10 into 5 by 100. So we can remove two zeros. So now 9430 into 5 equal to 4715. Now we need to find the compound interest. So here we are taking principal as x, compound interest equal to 4715, n equal to 2 years, rate of interest equal to 5%. As per the formula, compound interest equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 power n minus P. So we have 4715 equal to x into 1 plus R5 100 power 2 minus x. We can take x outside. 1 plus 5 by 100 power 2 minus 1 equal to x into, we need to apply LCM. So 105 by 100 power 2 minus 1. So x into 21 by 20 power 2 minus 1. So 4715 equal to x into 21 into 21 441 divided by 20 into 2400 minus 1. So x into, we can take LCM 400. So 441 minus 400 divided by 400. So equal to x into 41 by 400. So now we can apply cross multiply. 4715 into 400 equal to 41x. So x equal to 4715 into 400 divided by 41. We can divide 4715 by 41. So it's a calculation. So we will get 115. So x equal to 115 into 400. So x equal to 46,000. This is principal. So P equal to 46,000.